Good afternoon. Today is Friday, February 23rd, 2018. Hard to believe, but it's the last Friday, the month of February. Taking a look at our homework for over the weekend. You do have an extra credit math assignment that is due at the beginning of class on Monday. All right, this is a 10-point assignment. If you want extra credit in math and you need it, I would take full advantage of it. This extra credit is available on your Chromebook through your math classroom. Science, there's an Earth's organism quiz on Wednesday. Social studies and language arts, there is no homework. Literature, you need to keep reading AR. Our points are due March 16th. You have your Freedom Walker's final test and vocab test next week. It's very important that you are studying your vocab. As we found out, a lot of you have not been preparing and have not done well on the vocab tests that we've already had. That's going to be it for today. Make it a great weekend.